Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks, and this is Corel Draw 2018 and a new feature. If you ever get a new product and you go to help, you can actually highlight what's new since version 17, 18. I've got since 18, and it highlights some things that are new. There's a new option icon. There's no big deal, but right here, save to the cloud, and it's a Corel cloud. I'm not 100% sure how much storage they're going to allow you, but I've saved 2 files to the cloud on Corel. This way you could open that from your Corel 2019 on another computer without having to move it from thumb drive to thumb drive. That's pretty cool. So you just click on that, and open it, and it'll bring it from the cloud. And there it is right there. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.